I want to show you guys this online business that I found that are selling a really boring product but making over $4,000 a month. Let me explain. They're selling t-shirts, right? And while the website actually looks quite professional, they don't have a personal brand. They aren't showing their face. They're not posting on social media all day. Yet this one website is getting nearly 19,000 visitors every single month for free straight from Google. So let's now do a bit of math. Their t-shirts sell at around $25 each. And so even at the very lowest conversion rate in the industry, which is just 1%, that's a minimum of around $4,600 a month. And if they have a better conversion rate at 5%, they could be making over $23,000 a month from selling basic t-shirts, and they don't have upfront stock costs. So having a boring online business like this could change your life. And the most interesting part is you can create a site like this in a day, even if you've never built a website in your entire life, and also without you buying any stock up front. Now, all you need is one AI tool to do it, okay? Starting online businesses like this right now has never been more accessible to the average person like you and me. And so in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you could build your own version of this and how you can get people to your site so you can monetize quickly. So the first thing you need to do is decide what type of online store are you actually going to create. And this is where a lot of people are getting it wrong before they've even started properly, because they're going way too broad. The reason a store like this works so well is that they've got a very clear lane, okay? They're doing funny t-shirts. They're even occasion t-shirts. So you could buy them for Christmas, birthdays, that kind of thing. If people can buy your products for an occasion, if they can gift, you're always going to have demand and you're always going to be able to generate sales. And so it's not just your regular t-shirt that this brand is selling that you can find on your high street, right? That's what makes it different. Now, your niche doesn't actually have to be t-shirts, but let's say it is. You need to make sure you niche down into a specific topic that people actually want. Now, I actually showed you my AI process in another video of how I find winning niches super quickly, so you're going to want to watch that one next. I've also linked down below my $1 million prompts database, okay? This is a free database, includes all the prompts that I use, including the prompt that you need to go and run to find your niche, okay? It's going to help you find something that is in demand, that is most important. What do people actually want to buy right now? And so for this example, because I'm going to show you how to do it, I'm going to use the marathon t-shirts niche as my example, because I covered the research in the last video and I showed you why this is a winning niche. Please feel free to steal this niche, okay? You're more than welcome to, okay? And so with that in mind, let's skip straight to the AI tool that you're actually going to use to build your entire store, all in one tool. Now, this is how you get a beautiful looking website, a bit like the example, without spending hundreds of dollars on a web developer, and also without investing money up front into stock, okay? We don't want to do that. We want a hands-off business. The tool we're going to use is Hostinger Horizons, and what's beautiful about it is it actually connects to Printful, okay? This is going to be what we call a print-on-demand provider. This is what's going to provide all of your stock so that you don't have to buy it up front, okay? And so when you build your site in Hostinger Horizons, it's fully powered by AI, okay? AI is going to do it all for you. Now, you'll see a lot of people on YouTube maybe using Claude to build their websites, and don't get me wrong, I absolutely love Claude. So many videos that you can check out on that on my channel, and it's great for many different things. But let me tell you something, the people that are going to make the most money from AI right now, and the opportunity is hot, okay? Anyone can do it. The window is completely open. People that do that understand that there are different AI tools suited for different tasks. And so if you're just going into Claude or going into ChatGPT for every single task, you are leaving money on the table. Creating a website like this for AI is really well suited to Hostinger Horizons for a few reasons. One, which I love the most, you can get your domain included as part of the package. You don't have to go and buy that separately. We'll actually be using a shop domain in this video, and I'll explain explain more later about why this is really important for making more sales, right? So I'll show you that in demonstration. Number 2, right? Hostinger, as I mentioned, it connects directly to your print-on-demand provider, which is Printful, okay? So you don't have to worry about connecting things separately. It all happens in one space, okay? And the good thing, you might be thinking, why would I have my own standalone store and not just sell on a marketplace like Etsy? The reason why you should have your standalone store is because you get to keep 100% of the sales. You don't have to worry about transaction fees. And unlike Etsy, which I have experience in, by the way, you're going to get full control over your brand, over your pricing, your customer data. All of that is actually going to belong to you and not Etsy. You don't want your business to be controlled by Etsy, right? So click on the link below. I've included the Hostinger Horizons link for you. We're going to go to the sign up page. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, I know you're probably wondering, well, who's going to print my t-shirts? How are they going to get to my customers? How much do I have to invest? So let's talk about today's sponsor, Printful. They are a print-on-demand provider. The best part is it doesn't need any upfront cost. You don't need to hold any stock. There's no minimum orders, no setup fees. You only pay when a customer orders. If nothing sells, you don't spend a penny. They have a huge range, over 490 products. Obviously, the example that we're using is t-shirts. They've also got a ton of other things, including accessories, home decor, or more. And they actually solve the biggest problem in print on demand right now, which is quality. Everything goes through a 3-step quality check, and they print all over the world. Printful also has a super easy design tool. If you'd rather create your designs in there, that's cool. But I'm going to show you how to create your designs and get your store live all in one app. Let's go. Okay, so now you're going to want to choose your plan. I like the Horizon Starter Plan. It's the most popular for good reason. It also is really handy that you get your domain included, so you don't have to do that separately, but there's a ton of amazing features. I love that you can actually have up to 25 websites with this plan, so you could create multiple stores. Even if you wanted to create sites to sell your digital products and AI tool, you can do it all in this plan. Now, once you select a plan, please don't forget to use my coupon code Rochelle10. It will save you an extra 10% on top of the total price. Now, once you're signed up and you're inside Hostinger, you're going to create your domain. I highly recommend a shop domain. We are building an online store, and so if you have a .shop domain, it instantly signals to your customer that this is a store that they can shop on, okay? It looks a lot more professional also, and even if you struggle to find .com domains that you like, this is a great alternative because a lot of the time it has way more availability. Okay, so now you're inside Hostinger Horizons, and something I just want to quickly show you, you can actually grab your domain here if you want to, and you will have one included. This is where you can click your shop domain, or you can do it in the next step, either, right? So on the left, we've got Hostinger Horizons. Now, Hostinger Horizons, like I say, it's like talking to an AI chatbot. It makes it so easy to create websites, to create mini tools. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click Add Website, and we're going to click Hostinger Horizons. Okay, and so now we're in the Horizons section. We're actually just going to put in a prompt. Now, the prompt does not have to be complicated because we're chatting back and forth with an AI bot, just like you would ChatGPT or Claude. But this is the prompt that I'm using. Okay, so I'm asking it to build me a print-on-demand store. Remember, print-on-demand means that you're not in charge of shipping your own orders or dealing with your own stock, right? So all is going to be done by a third-party company, and I'm going to show you how we connect that in a second. So I'm letting it know that it's a print-on-demand store. I gave it the name of my store, Sweat and Glory. I just made that up. I don't know if it's copyrighted. I don't know if it's trademarked. It's just an example, okay? And then I've just basically said what I want the store to be. So I said I want it to be a personalized running and marathon finish line t-shirts for women. So can you see my niche? The vibe is feminine but strong. Think empowering, think girl, you did that energy. So I'm just explaining a bit about what I want this store to look like, right? And then I said I want a homepage with a bold hero banner, so a bold banner, a product grid of 8 women's t-shirts, images, titles, and prices around $25. Now, a little hack for this, I did screenshot the original example, I put it into ChatGPT, and I said just help me with a prompt because I wanted the same type of vibe. So if you ever see a site that you like, you don't want to copy it, but you can screenshot it, you can put it into AI, you can say help me come up with my own version with a similar vibe. Okay, so this is what I did. Obviously I made my version feminine. So you're going to click hit enter on the prompt. And you can see here, hosting Horizons is literally talking to us like any other AI, right? So it's saying that it likes the name, good. And it's already started by enabling store integration. So a lot of these features that you need for your store, it just does it for you. Now it's going to populate my store with my actual products. Okay, so can you see how much work this tool does for you? Okay, so it's coming along. I'm just going to talk you through it as it does the work. It's stocking my store with 8 empowering t-shirt designs. So I don't even need to do the designs, and it's going to build out the full experience with the homepage, the product pages, and personalization options. We love a bit of personalizations, okay? So I'm going to let this cook, and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so our store is finished and I love it. Okay, so here's the site, and you can see it's put the images in. It's even put in all of my products. Like, that is amazing. And you can click on the product, and here you can see all the detail. It's got different colors. Like, it's insane that I've just built this with one AI prompt, right? It's got reviews. If you've already got some reviews, obviously you would take these out until you get some legit reviews, or you would send out your product to a few testers so they can actually see it and give you real reviews. But I love this. It's so good. And you know what? If you did this even 2 years ago, you would have to pay somebody to do this for you, and you can just do it yourself, right? So now a couple of things that you should know. When you click on my store, you can actually edit everything, right? So you can edit the products. If you don't quite like the products, you can edit those. You can put discounts on. You can see your analytics. So it's a fully functioning website. It's not just a nice page. Now, once you go into integrations, you want to pick Printful, okay? This is the integration you want to use for your print on demand. And then you just go through the process of getting started, right? So you add it to your online store, just like this. And then all you need to do is sign up for a Printful account, and it will add it for you, okay? So it's really simple. You can sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, go through the process, and you'll be integrated. You'll be ready to go. You will have your print on demand store completely done. And so once you've made any edits to your store, you just click publish, and this is going to make your store live and ready for customers. And just so you know, remember I said that you can add your domain later? This is the stage at which you can add your domain. So once you push live, you can then connect your domain that way too. So this is the stage that you add your domain. Once you click connect domain, it will find the domain that you have set up with Hostinger. Make sure it's a shop domain for best results, and you can easily attach it to your website so you're ready to go live. So you can see that Hostinger really stepped up their game with Horizons, and also being able to connect it with Printful. It makes it the perfect way to create a site like this. Now, I've left the link down below. Use my code Rochelle10 to save an extra 10% off. But we are not done, because now that we've built our store, how do we actually get people to come to our store so they can buy our products? This is the part that so many videos don't mention. Like, here's the store. Okay, great. How am I supposed to get sales? First, you need to have realistic expectations. Your store is not going to launch one day and then the next day people are flooding to your site buying, right? That's just not how even Google works for people to find your store. And so if you become that negative Nancy, that's just not how business works. And we saw in the example, they were getting a lot of their traffic to that site from Google. Now you might be thinking, well, how do I compete with stores that have been established for a long time in Google? Why would Google send people to my site? How do I make sure I'm showing up in search results? Not just in Google, by the way, but in AI too. AI is sending a lot of traffic to sites these days. And the answer is to take a shortcut. Now, there are a lot of SEO strategies you can try. SEO simply means optimizing your site so that people can find it in Google. But I prefer to control my own traffic rather than leaving it to Google or AI tools, okay? Hostinger has a lot of cool features actually built into the platform to help you show up on Google. They have your SEO titles and your descriptions, so make sure you do that. But if you want more traffic quickly, you need to do marketing. This is where you post content that directs people to your products. Now, you can do this on social media if you want to, but if you're not someone who wants to post all the time, I highly recommend Pinterest because it's a low effort, shoppable platform. And so in that case, if you're choosing Pinterest, you will be creating product pins, but also blog posts that link directly directly to that website. And now that we can create avatars and AI UGC, you don't even have to go out and find models to show your products, right? You can do it all with AI without paying $1 in UGC creators, okay? So I have another video where I showed you how to do avatars. Check that out, that would be really helpful. And if you want to see more videos on how I would use AI to sell products like this, comment AI below so I know to record that next. Now, the second option to get more people finding your website and buying is ads. Ads isn't for everyone, especially if you want to keep your investment very low at the start, okay? You have really limited budget, you just want to focus on organic content. But if you do have some budget and you do want to move faster, ads are a fast track. And my hack for you would actually be to start with Pinterest ads rather than Meta ads, because Pinterest is just so much more of a shoppable platform right now. And if you actually want to see my full Pinterest strategy in detail, talking about my organic strategy where you don't have to spend any money on ads and you just want more people finding your site, I highly recommend you watch this video next. It breaks down how I actually create pins, how I make sure they show up in the right places, and how I get people to my products, whether they're digital products or print on demand products. It's the exact same process. But if you want a specific video for using Pinterest for print on demand, let me know in the comments and I'll also whip that up. I'll see you in the next video.